Bought this Hoover carpet cleaner earlier, a couple months ago, and I will have to say 10 out of 10, especially how small it is. I thought it wouldn't be that good, but this thing actually sucks up like really good. It cleans really good. You wouldn't even think it, but I heard Hoover is pretty good anyway. I keep mine in the garage because I just really don't have space for it in my house, but it does come with this red pad, so if anything leaks, you know, it can catch it. Clearly somebody's used it and didn't clean it out. I wouldn't have left it this dirty. This is disgusting. But anywho, it's real easy to clean. Definitely will say if anything is clogged in it, it will not lift the water off the carpet. So be mindful to just keep it clean each and every time you use it. Clearly one of my boys don't listen, but I would say 9 out of 10. I just wish it was a little bigger, but hey, you get what you pay for, all right?